Hello everybody, I'm Josh Corrick and this is your Blue Edge Energy weekly market update. Remember to follow us on Facebook. You can check us out on LinkedIn or catch other videos like this on YouTube as well, or visit our website right here to follow and learn more about what we do and who we are. Let's jump right into it. The June gas price jumped on off the books at $1.72.2 for the month of June coming up. And we look ahead at the current month, the new prompt month, which is July. The price is $1.82.7. That's down a mere 2.5 cents since last week. If we look at the next winter pricing, November to March, we see the price of gas is $2.76.2. That's up a mere penny and a half since last week as well. Now let's jump into the storage report for this week. We had a strong showing at an injection of 109 BCF for last week. That's larger than what was expected. If we look at the graph here of the current overall storage, we sit at 2,612 BCF. We're currently 778 BCF above last year, and we are also 423 BCF above the 5-year moving average. Now that we know that, let's look at some of the future prices that are on the docket. As mentioned, next winter is sticking on the books at $2.76.2. When we look to the winter after that one, we're at $2.74.4. Meanwhile, the 2021 calendar strip price, again if you had even load, is at $2.65.1, and the 2022 is $2.49. What you're seeing, folks, is this summer right now, our pricing is pushed lower. And then we're seeing our next winter prices like, what's going to happen with all the variables going on in the world amongst us here? So they don't really jive with each other at this point in time. When we look at the local cash out price, our Chicago index price sits at $1.72.5. And the Ventura, Northern Natural Gas Ventura price for our friends in the western part of the state is $1.71, up a half a penny since last week. Now let's take a look at the weather forecast. I'm sitting outside right now. It's raining, but I'm working inside, so I don't really care anyway. But in any case, when we look at the 8 to 14-day forecast for us locally and nationally, we see that the weather forecast is showing for above average to a much above average temperatures across the major part of the country, especially us here in the Midwest and down through the mid-central part of the country itself. So the June gas contract fell off the book yesterday at $1.72.2. That was 7.2 cents lower than what the May settled at. The July contract has seen a high, so we're now in the prompt month. On May 5th, it got all the way up to $2.36.4, but as of today, it's $1.82.7. And with the strong storage report that came out, and if they keep coming out, and then we got the coronavirus and how that's going to impact the economy, we expect to see prices to be kind of just blah and sit low at this point in time. When we look to the future, when it comes to kind of the pricing, the big variable, as a lot of people are living and knowing, is the coronavirus. A lot of the LNG shipments that were supposed to go overseas have stayed domestically. We've seen a lot more injection into the ground than was expected. Our demand is suppressed. And what's going to happen with our economy with the coronavirus? Right now, we're opening back up. If a second wave comes about, that's going to just wreak havoc on the economy, and obviously the gas market, it's going to collapse as well. If we get back and rolling again, well, we have high production rates right now, and we have a lot of LNG that's going to be sitting domestically. So that will be that. Thank you for tuning in on behalf of all of us here, Karen, Blake, TJ, and myself. We thank you. We'll talk to you next week, and if you have any questions, reach out to any one of us. We're happy to help you as best we can. Take care.